What you got there, girls? Belle already chased you away. You can't stay away. You need... Oh, stop being mean. I'm guessing they really love it, both of them, and neither one of them wants the other one to have it. That little green one that she's sniffing was a catnip ball. Uh-oh, here comes the chubby one too. There's the chubby one. I don't think you want to get involved with these two little girls right now, Zeus. Gypsy, you're the big sister, even though you're tiny. Are you really going to let her push you out of there? Uh-oh. What? I just can't sit on it, Bella. You have to share. Uh-oh. Bella, let your sister play too. You can't control everything. She's gonna scratch on it. She's gonna sit on it. She's doing everything it's intended for. I think it's a hit. Gypsy's head even went when you did that. Oh, there you go, Gypsy. It's your turn. She's got the Amazon box. She thinks that's better. It's pretty cool, right, Gypsy? Oh, yeah. 100%, this is it. And even the box it came